Hi, hello. Welcome to one more video in a Python series. Here I will going to discuss about list and how we can generate the automated elements into the list, right? So this program we are going to do. So for that, first I will take one variable, right? And I will keep one empty list. After that, I need to use for loop for iteration process. In this, I will use like till what range I want to insert the element inside the list. So I'm telling from 1 to 10. I want to insert 1 to 10. So I need to run this loop till 11. Now, what I should do, then the append operation we have to apply. In that, I have to pass this particular I. Hmm? Next, simple. If I will print this, then I will get my list elements automatic inside the list. So what it will do, this is empty variable which later on hold the elements value inside the list through this loop. This I will accept the one by one values from the this particular range. This particular range basically uh, used to display the 1 to 10 elements. So next, I want to iterate till the condition is true one by one, right? So first element, it will go 1 in first iteration, comma. In the second iteration, 1, 2, like 2. In third iteration, 3. Likewise, till 10, it will insert the elements. And once condition will it false, this will come out from the your loop and it will display the particular list. Observe here, we are getting the output as a list element. So this is what the process. But there is one more thing. Can we do this in a shorter way? Yes, there is a way. That is called as a list comprehension. That provides us a shorter method. See how it is. Same variable, list one, right? And in this case, what I will do, since it's a list, so I will use a index bracket. In that, I1 variable, and for I in range, what range? Same range, right? Range, I want to insert 1 to 10 elements, so I will use like that. And later, I will print this list. These two concepts are very powerful concept in Python to generate the list automatic. We can observe here, we are getting the same output. So for your learning purpose, this is very important. How to we can get the list dynamically, right? So this is the way. Thank you for watching, and I will come again with a few more important topic which is helping you, right? Thank you so much.